media. Yes, man.
Alright, look. You know me telling you last week, say yo, drop on the comments in the comment section and me have to read them. Me have to read them in this video. That's exactly what we are gonna do. Let us go. Monica Lewis said, leave it to a Jamaican for big up the whole country under a minute. Yeah man, you don't know someone big up mommy, daddy, auntie from round Pace Road. Tony said, leave it up to a Jamaican for name something or someone based on how they look. A man short, shorty. Somebody have brown skin, browning, like Lund. Say, leave it to a Jamaican for beg a 1 minute phone call and done the credit and say them never talk long. Can the church say amen? Amen, pastor! Jamaica Funny TV said, leave it up to a Jamaican to put on them seatbelt as them see police. Oh Larry, oh Babylon. TJ Effects say, leave it up to a Jamaican to beg a little bit of your food, then yam it all off. Jenna say, leave it up to a Jamaican to sell you a show and it not fit you. And them say, yeah man, what's the team man, you're a size man. What size you are? Size 10, you see me? Alright. Well, a size 8 yeah. But man is a size 10. Try on the size 8 man, them fit big man. 4 senior foot, brother. Robbie Ray said, leave it up to a Jamaican for go to the people them yard for use free Wi-Fi to watch Kevin 2 Crazy. What you mean?
My dog them a feeling.
Symphonic Cindy say, leave it up to a Jamaican to tell you if you hang up cause you have done them credit. But you call them. Hang up no brother, you have done me credit you know. Brethren, no me call you. Say hang up no man, you have done me credit. But brethren, hang up. Alright. Greg said, leave it up to a Jamaican to go hell and install AC. Shay Mendes said, leave it up to a Jamaican to start twang instantly as them start talk to a foreigner. Where you say brother, where you go? I'm not really from around here, I'm just looking for the bus park. What you say man? You looking for the bus park man? Alright, follow back on me man, let me bring you things for you man. Chad the Gamer say, leave it up to a Jamaican for hear what you said the first time and still ask. What you say? Kobe Best Fan say, leave it to a Jamaican to say to a Japanese or Korean. So Michigan, when you go back to China? Zico say, leave it to a Jamaican to say reverse back now. Yeah man, reverse back again one more time. Chillax Fox say, leave it up to a Jamaican to pick apple from a mango tree and make lemonade. The straightest say, leave it up to a Jamaican to build them house on the riverbank and then cuss the government when it flood out. Truth! Kamar say, leave it up to a Jamaican to put 4 passengers on the front and then blow their hand after the police. Squad Jodian say, leave it up to a Jamaican to see you asleep and wake you up and ask you, yo, you asleep? One dancer leave it up to a Jamaican to tell you if you turn down the TV so they can smell if something can burn. Turn down the damn noise no man. You smell that? Love it, so leave it up to a Jamaican for thief sitting for you, then help you look feet. Right. Yo, me can't find the little yellow, the pliers sitting man with the little yellow handle. Big man thing dog. Me just have you a while ago me. I wish part you drop it. Can't find you, help me look feet. Just know dog. Right now, I'm also look a dirty boy seat and take you up and gone with you in a bar seat. Bombard dog. And Shrimp Life say, leave it up to a Jamaican for thief light, then cuss when light gone. Yo, me can't deal with them people, man. This is why me not pay for light, you know, virgin. And them sitting here, me not pay for light, you know, because me pay for sitting down there to take you away. That's it for that. Big up everyone I know we're coming. I'm realizing on the like that little commenting thing. So, at the end of the video, I'm going to tell you what we are doing for this week in our comment section. Now, let's do this. We are going to go right off the top, just like the brother.
Come on, yeah, man.
People say hello to the new cockatiel haircut. I'm guessing this is a case of the barber wanting 100% time money, but him only have 95%. Hence him get 95% of the haircut. The barber ya wicked. The barber ya wicked. Yo Joel, big up yourself in a brother. Yo Jerry, big up yourself in a video, you see? Speaking of 100%, what better time to give 100% doing anything than right at the graduation. You don't pass all your class then, teacher can't chat to you again, and you just collect your certificate, diploma, award, whatever the hell you graduate and get. You know what this look like? When you have one of them friend there, you bet him in that crowd. Yo, after I get my certificate, I'm gonna bust a ratted back flipping up. Dog, stop telling lie, you're naughty. You want to bet? I bet you $3 grand right now, dog. I'm a PlayStation controller, the one with light up. I bet it. That. And then the brethren, they don't in that crowd and watch you to see if you can really do it. Do it. I bet you. I guess we all know which class he failed. Gymnastics. I've been on the earth for quite some time now, and every second, humanity keeps demonstrating. We are not as smart as we think.
Oh my God! Oh, baby, get out, baby! No!
What happened to fishing rod? Fishing net? A fish gun?
Oh my God!
Fish oil? Wait, I know that they use fish oil for.
Baby, get him! Get him, baby!
Anyways, just actual fish bait and not your hand.
Go away!
I am thinking whoever the lady screaming in the background is, she's very happy despite his ludicrous method that he actually got some food.
Can I get here?
Never mind. I can bet that fish will be telling stories for years to come. Just remember the time, you know, make you a human a rotted bite, this is a... Me say better thank God say me not even did a shark rotted. Some people know how to use their hands. Others use their hands to the fullest of their ability. Now people, you have to respect the skill. What you should respect even more is the journey from amateur to world class. World class melon catcher. Because me sure say when him just a start up, a whole heap of melon jab and mash out. Melon all a slap him in chin, mash out in a head top, and look on him now. Top of the line world class melon catcher. Me am no melon catcher, me a world class. Racist joke. Now society emphasizes that you should not drink and drive. But me find out that there are a lot more things of which you should not partake whilst drinking or if you're drunk. Painting is one of them. In drink and drunk, mixed with the fumes of the paint. The outcome could have been no different. And after you drink and drunk, right, the only way to recover is basically figure sleep. But even while you slumber, you are not safe.
Got him! Got him!
The untrained eye will see a dog licking a man's face. But in actuality, this dog is saving this man's life. Mouth to mouth resuscitation. Come on, buddy. You can't die here. Come on, man. Somebody help me. Somebody call an ambulance. No! But seriously though, one of them find that dog here and arrest him. You can't just go around and suck out people tongue while they sleep. That dog here pay bill. But instead, him a Bill Cosby. Da da day. Do da da. In a way, you kinda serve him right still, you know. Because if he never get drunk, then he would have been more alert and the dog would not be giving him the French kiss. But then again, not being drunk does not mean you are more alert. Every time she touch the road, she drop in a bottle. That sounds sort of lesbianish, not true? Yeah, go on. What I want to do is pay attention to how slow she fell into the hole. Just look at it. If you ask me, this woman saw an opportunity to get a suit, a lawsuit, and she took it. Couple weeks from now. Hi, I'm Gerald, and I made millions from investing in a life-saving machine.
Hi, I'm Shaquana, and I made millions from falling into side of a hole.
You think that joke? In America, they sue you for anything. I'm sure they sue the man who in the hole. But why you never catch her? They probably sue the two women on the sidewalk. Why you not point after the woman and not try help her? No, for real. Why they never try help the woman? They probably sue the people that own the camera. Shit, they might sue me and you. If you watch this.
Sue her bumbo. She can't sue her mama.
Same thing me say too.
Oh, Lydia. Yes, man.
Just like how she went all into the hole, this old man was all in on this dance. But Jesus, hey, his soul left him body, his soul evacuate him body. Let's just hope he took his pills. Not those pills, these pills. Because we wouldn't want him to have a heart attack. Yeah, old man him handle himself still. But as for this next man, when one wine turned to two wines, he couldn't handle it. Dr. Fat! Aishana! This way you do! Aishana, you get the blame! He came under rapid fire from the booty. And he had was to gesture for help.
Bumper to your father.
Help me, nigga!
And try his best to make a speedy escape. Look like you remember that Chino song they do.
No put no woman on your head. No put no woman on your head. No put
Life comes at you fast. 1 minute you could be just getting a nice little wine, and the next minute you're up to your neck in booty. Oh, I dog! Oh, no, know what I mean? And the video. Oh, I dog! Another minute you could just easy back and mind your business. And the next minute you could be knock, knock, knocking on heaven's door. Anytime people get clocked, anytime they get a hit and things fly from their person, no is a goddamn hard lick them get. The hat fly off, the phone shell out. I make them do grandpa so. I would not be surprised if him swallow a couple of dentures there. Way up there. But they never stay up there. That is the end of the video. Alright, for this week in the comment section, we're going to start a story. I'm going to start the story and then everybody will comment after that. You just drop in a line. We're going to continue the story where I make it funny, where I make it interesting. And your comment have to end with and. Good? Wanna get it? Start comment, start tear up the like button. I'm make we nice it up. Thanks for your videos and your video suggestions. Turn on your post notifications so you know every single time we drop a video. Check out all of the other channel them in the description. This is K2K crazy. You think it, you believe it. And you live to achieve it.
What? Get crazy.